Hello everyone and welcome to my new vlog. Today is a bit cloudy, so I just chose the basic outfit for my internship. I'm going to eat now and run to the metro station because every morning for some reason I don't exit my house at the right time. But have fun in this vlog. If you didn't watch the previous one first, go and watch that one so that you understand where I am and what am I doing here. Anyways, welcome and enjoy. Quick snack before I shower. I just came back from internship. It was a long day. I just had a lot of work to do in AutoCAD, and then in the end I just helped another girl to paint something. It was a bit of everything, but at least it's Friday, so I can now enjoy my weekend and just rest and chill for the next 2 days. I'm honestly happy that I don't have to wake up so early tomorrow. Like, I'm not used to waking up anymore earlier than 9, so this is a bit like challenging. I love these yogurts with fruits so much. I guess in this weekend you will see finally more of Valencia. I'm gonna take you a bit around and I hope you will enjoy. I'm not sure if I will go to eat out some dinner or maybe eat something at home, I don't know, but anyways, see you later. Good morning, it's Saturday and I'm going to the beach now because I want to go at least once a week to the beach, and it says that maybe it's gonna rain tomorrow, so it is what it is. Let's go. Hello, it's Sunday and today I decided to go a bit around the city even though it's so hot and I'm gonna melt down. Even here in my room I'm melting, but I think it's time that I finally go out and explore a bit more the city. I will see where will I take you, but I hope it will be enjoyable for you as well to see. So let's go. Today is a workshop day. I couldn't wait for this moment where I come home and lay down. As much as I like my internship, it's really tiring at some point. It's been just a week behind, so I need some time to just get used to it. So I'm gonna spend the rest of my night just watching TV shows and chilling. Even though I would like after work to go out and enjoy Valencia and see some things and maybe hang out with my friends, I guess that won't be possible every day. Today was fun. I did again some things in the workshop. I didn't know actually. Usually they tell me a day before that I'm gonna be in the workshop, but today I came and then in the morning just they told me to go to workshop part. Workshop is super cool, but at the same time I'm standing the whole day and then my legs hurt after I come home, and laptop work is completely killing my eyes and brain and everything, like when I'm not stopping whole day. So yeah, if it's a bit of this and a bit of that, it's going great. Really, so far I like it and everything is fine. Next week actually my two friends are coming from Serbia, so I'm gonna do a whole kind of tour for them and it's gonna be super fun for sure. Let's call this video just a little sneak peek of Valencia because I'm gonna show you much more. It's super hot actually to walk around, but I really want to do that for some reason. Like I want to explore the city even though I'm walking around and melting, and it's absolutely not okay to do that in the middle of the day when it's like 37 degrees or something, but we're still enthusiastic. And yeah, I mean, I just like doing these things. I'm sending you kisses and see you soon in my next vlog. Ciao.